Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Carlos from buyweb.es. Today I will show you how to overflow images from a container. Please, if you enjoy the content, give it a thumbs up. You will subscribe to the channel, activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos, and also if you have any doubts or questions, you can leave them in the comments. Well, the example that we are going to recreate is this one here, in which we are going to make an image overflow the container where it is inserted, veil, and we are going to do it with veil element. So we are going to start, and I am going to start from 0, in fact. I'm going to do this example anyway by putting the image here on the right, because then we will see something that happens in the mobile version of this design. Okay, so I start, I think, one container, 2 sections. Okay, I'm going to give it a margin of 150 on top, okay? And I'm going to give it a fill of 0. Then I'm also going to put the color of, there is a background image, okay? I'm going to put this one, I select it, and here I'm going to give it a covering effect. Okay, here we are going to put a Call of Duty header. Excuse the dog. Of duty, okay, then we're going to center it. Could you change the color and font? I'm going to give him a target, okay? Typography, the psychology of Call of Duty, we are going to give it type of size. Let's see how this would turn out. Okay, that's fine with me, okay? So here we are going to insert the image, okay, the column on the right, we are going to insert the image. In this case, it will be the Eastern soldier from the Call of Duty is where he is. Here I have it, okay, I insert it, okay. You see that it is not stuck to the lower edge. So this is because there is a poly. We see it in the column and we go to the forward. And to the one filled, we put a pair. Okay, and now we are going to go to the image and we are going to give it a negative margin. Okay, there we will start to see how the PA begins to overflow. Okay, if for example we check. Come on, we can well make it overflow a little more. Even what we could do is play with the maximum size of the image in the maximum width is worth to define the size. Let's see, now let's make it overflow a little bit, okay? So now, for example, if I update, I would already have my design that overflows, okay? If we wanted it, for example, to overflow more, we could play with minimum height, right? This would be with him to see if I get a negative margin, okay? If we want to increase, let it overflow more, then we would increase the negative margin, okay? We see how it overflows more. So I'm going to publish how to see here. Okay, so this in the mobile version. Okay, do you see what element, the element that overflows falls below? So to solve this problem, what we are going to do is modify the order of the columns that are inside the columns container at this height. It would be wrong to say the child containers, okay? So for example, I select the one below, I go to advanced and order. I tell him there is a start, okay? And there we see how the image that overflowed us, which initially appeared below us, would appear above us in the case of the PC version. If the overflowing image were to the left in the mobile version, we would not have that problem because, as in the mobile version, they load from top to bottom and from left to right. This would appear on the left, and in the mobile version, it would be the first container that would appear. So now I publish, and here I do. Well, in fact, you see it works like the overflow in the A part. Okay, that's as easy as that. You can create image overflows with Elementor, but if you liked the video that helped you, and so remember to like it, subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos. Doubts and questions in the comments. See you in future videos. See you later.